All right, now I'm not going to be in such a rush on this term, or on this question. Again, going back, we're adding these two polynomial fractions, all right? We had to find a common denominator. Uh, well, they obviously are not at the moment common denominators. So what I did is I factored this prime factorization. Prime factorization, I factored this one. You can't do anything else with that. But I factored this one into its factors, which are t minus 3 and t plus 1. Now I'm looking for the lowest common multiple, which is the lowest common denominator. Or the lowest common multiple is the greatest number of times a factor occurs in either term. Well, t minus 3 occurs once in either one, so that's where this came from. And then t plus 1 occurs once over here, so that's where that came from. All right? And so that is my least common multiple, which is my lowest common denominator. Well, this one already has that in it. This one doesn't, so I had to multiply the numerator and denominator by that term. So now they have the exact same denominator. Okay, so let's just finish this thing up. That's going to be 3t plus 2 plus t1, t plus 1 plus t plus 1, which that's going to be t squared plus 2t plus 1. How did I get that? T times t is t squared. T times 1 is t. 1 times t is t. Add them together, you get 2t. So this 2t comes from I'm doing FOIL, right? I'm adding those together. T times 1 plus 1 times t, that's that. And then 1 times 1 is 1. All divided by our common denominator of t minus 3 t plus 1. So now we can combine any like terms going from the highest degree down. So t squared, and I have 3t plus 2t is 5t. 3t plus 2t is 5t, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. We can't factor that. That's going to be t minus 3 t plus 1. And we're done with that.